hiking trail. Hey guys, good morning. We're going to potato chips today. So nandito ako ngayon, kukuha muna ako ng gas. Dito sa Amerika, self-service lahat. So walang tutulong dito sa iyo kundi ikaw lang. Alright, we're done. Hopefully magandang araw ngayon para ma-catch namin yung sunrise sa potato chips. So yan, late na naman kami. Ang call time namin is 6 o'clock. 6:30 na. Naghahanap pa kami ng direction kung saan kami dadaan kasi ayoko doon sa kabila sa Lake Poway. Malayo kasi yun. So gusto ko dito sa may ano ba to? 67 freeway ba
Watch
to?
out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
67 freeway ba to?
63.
Okay.
No, 66.
Okay. So medyo ma-traffic pa. I'm with Rafa. Hello. The sun is up. Supposed to be dapat doon na kami sa taas by sunrise time. Late na naman tayo. So this is the beginning of the trail where when you start to go up, you can see all these massive rocks here along the side because etong mountain na to is like full of rocks. If you can see on top of the mountain, yeah, puro bato talaga. So quick information guys, Potato Chip Rock is located in Mount Woodson. So if you decided to hike here, wear your comfortable hiking shoes. A soft padded sneakers will do also. So there's no water supply here, which means you can bring along with you a bottle of water. There's no toilet or portalet, so you can do your thing discreetly behind the bushes and bring some few snacks with you, but make sure do not leave your garbage here. Bring along with you when you go home. So guys, we decided to take the Ramona side or the Highway 66 because I believe this is the shortest way, which took us only for 2 hours. Compared with the Lake Poway side, it takes for 3 to 4 hours of hiking up. Look guys, the rock formation is just everywhere. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Hey guys, let's go. And dito tayo dadaan sa likod. May daanan ata dito. Oh yeah. Guys, look at this rock. Ang laki-laki ng rock na to. Pag ito nadaganan ka, ewan ko na lang. So guys, we started walking around 7 o'clock. I don't know what time is it now. Is it 9 o'clock? Kasi ang dami naming selfie. Ang dami naming selfie kasi ang gaganda ng mga rock formation eh. Yeah. I'm not sure how far are we. Pero I think medyo malayo-layo pa tayo. Pero okay lang yan. So guys, if you decided to take the Lake Poway side, eto yung parking place. You have to pay for a certain fee for the parking place. And on weekends, masyadong busy talaga dito. Unlike dito sa Ramona side, eto naman yung sa Highway 66. Yeah, you can park your car along the freeway. Be careful when you leave your car. Make sure it's safe and secured. Yeah, make sure it's secured para naman pagbalik natin, pagbaba, nandyan pa rin yung car natin or hindi malang na-vandalize. But I want to make sure to you guys na safe and secure naman dito sa Freeway 66. Grabe tong bato na to, oh. Ang ganda. No? Ang ganda. Look at that. Wow. I wish I could go up there on top. So guys, if you really wanted to come up here, hike here to the summit of Potato Chips, I suggest to come up here early in the morning, like around 6 o'clock in the morning. So by the time the sun rises up, you're already on the summit. So you take on the Ramona Freeway, the 66, which takes you 2 hours of hiking, compared with the Lake Poway, which takes you to 3 to 5 hours of hiking up. Nice, look. See what I mean, guys? This massive, gigantic rocks is just everywhere. Very Instagrammable, guys. Kaya maganda talaga dito sa taas. If you're going to visit San Diego, it's worth a hike. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga rocks formation dito. Guys. Kaya, umakyat na kayo dito sa Potato Chips. It's exercise at the same time. Yeah. Alright. Paubos na yung water ko. Yeah, so my water is almost gone. So I advise you guys to bring extra water bottle para naman ma-refresh yung sarili natin at saka to prevent dehydration at the same time. So Rafa, what time is it?
Right now it's already 8:36.
Oh, it's only 8:30. Alright. Maga pa rin pala tayo.
Still early.
Despite of too much selfies,
Pictures.
na maraming selfie, maraming stop. So, okay pa rin. Yeah.
We're still good.
Maganda pa rin ang araw. So, kailangan natin ng vitamin D. Yeah. Akyat tayo dito sa malaking bato, guys. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh my God. Whew.
Ay, ang ganda. Hawakan mo yung araw. Ay, I like it. It's nice.
Okay. The view up here is amazing. Rafa is down there taking a full shot on me. There. Yeah. Guys, habang umaakyat kayo pa taas talaga, mas maraming malalaking bato ang makikita mo. Yan. So guys, maganda talaga dito umakyat pag weekdays kasi walang tao masyado. So kung you see, kaming dalawa lang ni Rafa dito naglalakad ngayon. Although meron ibang tao na naglakad na paakyat. So, pero konti lang talaga. Kasi pag Saturday, Sundays, and holidays, madami talagang umaakyat dito. Siyempre kasi wala silang pasok. Yung ganun. Yeah. So this is my view from up here, guys. Yeah. See? Ganda, grabe. Guys, look. So at this area, guys, I believe nasa 1,800 feet in elevation na kami ni Rafa. So ang pinakamataas na summit, ang elevation when you reach the summit at the Potato Chip Rock is around 2,800 feet elevation. Oh, may lizard.
Ay na pala eh.
Hindi, doon pa tayo. Malayo pa. Pero yung pag nakita mo na yung tower,
Yeah.
medyo malapit na tayo. So, pwedeng dumaan dito ang car, no? No? Pwedeng dumaan dito ang car.
Yung pwede lang dito yung nagtatrabaho.
Mga marshal siguro, no?
Mga ano
Mga marshals at saka kwan.
Marsh.
Ranger, marshals, or yung nag-work dito sa torre, sa tower.
Sino bababa na sila tayo?
Oh my God. Oh my God, ang ganda ng bahay na yun, oh. Sa baba. Okay, we're almost here. Oh, good. I think so. I don't know where. I think dito nga. Alam mo, watch mo yung pulpit truck na hike ko. Parang kayang-kaya natin. Sabi ko, ang easy, pero although mahirap na kasi parang umakyat ka rin. Pero maganda kasi, parang nilagyan nila na parang mga hagda-hagdanan. Ano yun?
May pumupunta ba doon sa gitna?
Meron, marami. Pagka hindi mahangin, ang daming nakaupo sa edge, may mga nakalambitin pa nga. Yan ba yung sa likod niyan? So, I think, ano ba to? Parang tower of, ano ba to? Communication? Antenna? No? Dito ba yun? O dun sa kabila? Hindi, dito. Dito ata. Sa loob ba?
Hindi, lalaki. May active na yata.
Ah, tama. Dito, dito. Ayan, oh, maganda rin dun, no? Tower of David.
Yeah, I think yun na yung mga tao.
Meron?
Yeah. Yun na.
Yeah. So guys, we reached the 2,800 feet elevation and we reached the summit. And on the right side, you can see the potato chip rock. Yeah,
Ayun, mga tao.
I know. So this is it, guys. We are here at the potato chip rock. This is considered as the natural tourist attraction here in San Diego, California, and it is located at elevation of 2,700 to 2,800 feet at the summit of Mount Woodson. The rock is 100 feet below the summit and is famous for its resemblance to potato chips. That's why they call it potato chip. Walang tao. Wow. Okay. Okay guys, punta tayo doon sa pinaka chips and